Jayam Ravi has got this lucky charm with debut heroines.
Seriously, he told me this in the beginning of shoot. He told me that, listen, I have a very lucky thing now. You started with me, you're going to do very well. And actually, I signed.
And what about that mass phenomenon STR?
For the other day, the first poster came out, like this crowd just came in, people are dancing and they are playing music and they've come with posters and all. The thing with Simbu is you can't see the acting, like it's very natural.
Okay.
And he has that certain style that he does with the movements.
The one word about Master also.
Saw the trailer and it was like a Hollywood film according to me, you know, like the
Hi Nidhi.
Hi Kaushik.
Welcome to the LMK feature. That's my YouTube channel.
Thank you, YouTube sensation.
Yeah. No, I'm not a YouTube sensation.
Twitter sensation.
Yeah, and thanks a lot for your time, first of all. And this is just the second celebrity interview in my channel.
Oh really?
Yeah, so
Thank
just a
you.
new
Thank
channel.
you so much.
Yeah,
I'm
thanks.
happy to be featured
Yes,
on your channel.
thanks a lot. Congrats on your impending dream debut. So it's going to be Nidhi Pongal.
Nidhi Pongal, thank you so much, Iraiva. Romba thanks. I'm very excited.
Yeah. So you'll have like one on the small screen and one on the big screen. So like you're going to cover the entire bunch of audiences.
Absolutely. I'm very excited. Both these films, my character, I really like my character, and both of them have come out well. So I'm super excited.
Yeah. And like Bhumi, there was this recent announcement that it's going to be an OTT release.
OTT
There was a
release.
big rumor that it might come to theaters
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Finally, it's a OTT release.
yeah.
So was that a sort of a disappointment for you because the big screen charm?
Yeah, I mean, definitely when you dream of becoming an actor, you always think that, oh, my face is going to be so big, and and in Bhumi, I have a lot of those heroine shots, where my hair is flying and there are close-ups of my eyes and all of that. So it would have been great to see that on the big screen. People are kind of suffering in a way. A lot of people don't have work. I think I'm very happy it's releasing on online, and I think the producer is the best person to take that call.
Jayam Ravi has got this lucky charm with debut heroines, like all the heroines who
I've heard, but it is true, I guess,
It is
right?
true. Yeah, because it starting with Asin and then Sada, then like recently Saisha, now Nidhi, is like all the heroines who made their debut with Ravi.
No, but seriously, he told me this in the beginning of shoot. He told me that, listen, I have a very lucky thing now. You started with me, you're going to do very well. And actually, I signed 2 more Tamil films before that release. So thank you, Ravi sir, for your lucky hand.
Yeah, and this is his 25th film. So like, have you followed his career before? Like any favorite Ravi sir films?
Yeah, I've seen Taniyulvan. I've seen Komali. I really like Komali. I thought it was a nice comic film, and the storyline was very good. So I really like Komali.
Yeah. And what about Lakshman, Dr. Lakshman's previous films? Like he had Romeo, Juliet and Bogan.
Yeah, I've seen Romeo, Juliet, and I really liked it. What I like about Lakshman sir is that he gives the heroines like a very naughty, fun character. Not everyone does that. Even the photo shoot is so much fun with him. You have to give all expressions, and he'll show you also like, do this, yeah, do that, yeah. So it was great working with Lakshman. So he broke that shyness in me in Bhumi, because in Bhumi, Kaushik, I had to do so many things. It is not a very easy film for me to shoot because I had to scream. I had to do so much comedy. I had to like make a lot of funny faces. So it was a little. I had to drink a lot of coffee before all the scenes in Bhumi.
So it's not like the real Nidhi. So
it is like the real Nidhi.
Okay.
I've not done, which is why I was very happy, because I've usually played very sober characters.
Yeah. Mr. Majnu, it was a very
sober characters. So I've never played something like this, and even Ishwaran, my character is fun. So I'm happy that in Tamil I'm getting to do like a different
fun side. Yeah, and recently we saw the trailer of Bhumi, like the story, like it's a very larger than life thing, like astronomical scientist and farming and all that.
Yeah, farming is definitely there. The astronomical part is a very small part of the film. It's not like majorly there in the film. But Bhumi is like one of those films that has all the elements.
Yeah, and what about that chemistry factor? Like, do you have a lot of love songs with Jayam Ravi?
We do. We have like one very nice song. It's called Kade Kanale Rasute. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called Kade Kanale only, no? Correct
Kade
pronunciation.
Kanale, yeah.
So, adu romba nalla song irukku. And even the mass songs are nice.
Yeah, a lot of songs about Tamilan and farmers and all that. Yeah, Tamilan and Sollada.
Nice. I like that song also.
Yeah. So like going to Eastwaran, your next Pongal release. So
in the theaters.
Yeah, in theaters. So there your dream will be fulfilled completely. seeing you on the big screen.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And what about that mass phenomenon STR? Because he's huge, right? Like he's a mass
He
hero. Like,
is.
did you see that on the shooting spot?
I saw that on the shooting spot. Yeah, the day the first poster came out, like this crowd just came in. Suddenly in my van, I'm hearing like all music and everything. I'm like, what is happening? I went out and saw, and I'm like, people are dancing and they are playing music and they've come with posters and all. So I really did see like the mass.
Correct.
I think it's like how in Telugu with the Smart Shankar, I experienced a more mass
Correct.
thing with that film. I think with Ishwaran, it will be like that with me. You know,
So I think that film was shot in like during this lockdown. I think 42 days it was wrapped, right?
25 days.
25 days.
I shot for
Wow.
20 days. I think they shot the whole film for 25 days.
Okay,
So
okay.
it is my quickest shoot
Wow.
ever.
Okay.
And we were shooting like almost 3 scenes a day. So
Oh.
Simran sir is also very fast.
Correct. Yeah.
And Simbu was also like 1 to 2 takes. So it was very easy. And Susindran sir will not see the monitor. He will only see your performance in real. Like he will see like that. And then he'll say okay or no. And he's a very jolly director.
And like you say that Simbu is like a 1 to 2 take artist. Like, was it tough to match him because he's been acting since his childhood? He's like a baby artist. And
Yeah,
now
he
he's a mass
is.
hero.
Like the thing with Simbu is you can't see the acting. Like it's very natural.
Okay.
And he has that certain style that he does with the movements. So it was nice to see that kind of acting. And I was a little bit prepared because I knew 1 to 2 takes. Let me just prepare and go. So I was always prepared with my lines.
Okay.
Especially with him because I knew that okay, I'm not going to do too many takes here. So let me just be prepared.
And what about Ravi sir? Like, how is he with takes? Does he also take a lot of takes?
No,
Or he's
no,
also
no, no.
like
Ravi sir is also very quick.
okay.
Ravi sir is also very quick, and Ravi sir is very encouraging. Like if you've done something well, he will tell you that you did this thing very well and all of that.
Okay.
So he kind of gives you that encouragement also, which is very sweet.
Okay. And Simbu is more like what do you say, restrained or?
No, Simbu is also very, very sweet. With Simbu, everything was just so fast,
Fast,
you know,
okay.
because like Bhumi, we shot in like 6 days, we shot, then break, then again 4 days, then break. With Simbu, it was 20 days. Film is only over.
Correct.
So it was just very, very quick.
Correct.
And also on that set in Madurai, there were so many kids on that set. So constantly those kids are there. One kid is sitting on my lap, one kid is talking to me, one kid is like touching my face, and so I was very, very distracted and I was very involved with these kids.
So it will be like a homely and simple
It's a
Nidhi. and
complete, complete village.
Village.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. And Bhumi will be the more stylish and
A
glam.
little bit more stylish. Like in the first half, there's a little bit more city vibe, and in the second half, there's a lot of Indian. But I enjoyed the village
Okay, nice.
more.
Nice. And what about your dancing? Because in Ismat we saw your dancing. And what about the Tamil audiences? Will they see your dancing skills?
Not that kind of dancing, because in Ishwaran there is a song with me and Simbu where we are dancing, but it's not like a full-on dance number. It's a very folk song,
Okay.
happy, easy, not very difficult dancing.
And you also signed on for a film with Tadam director Magil sir.
Yes.
And Tadam is being released
Remade,
in Telugu.
yeah,
Red.
yeah,
That's
Red
coming for
Ram,
Sankranti.
who I worked
with. So a lot of connections.
Lot of connections.
Correct, yeah.
True.
So like, have you started shooting for that? Like, is it
Yeah,
more
yeah.
hectic compared to these films?
It is
Okay.
because I have like my screen time is a lot in
Oh,
that
nice.
film, and the story also I'm like it's not like love interest, I am very integral in the film.
Nice.
So my performance and everything, Magar sir is very particular about the way I look, my hair, my costume, my makeup, my handbag that I'm using, like everything. He's a perfectionist. So I really need to like focus a lot before I come on that set, and it's a very interesting story. Yeah.
And recently, one video of yours went like super viral. Like you at the shooting spot of Rajamandri, and like,
Yes.
thousands of hundreds of fans, I guess, in a small spot. Like, how do you feel with such frenzy in such a short time?
I love it. Like, I'm so happy, Kaushik, like a lot of directors who I've worked with, some of them have even told me, like, they have told me that, you have a very good fan following. That is the reason why we've taken you.
Nice.
So, but I take it as a compliment. I think I've always somehow maybe connected with the audience in some way that even I don't understand. But it's a blessing, and I'm very, very thankful to the fans that I have. Because of them, I'm getting more and more films. So I'm very happy, and that was superb. Yeah, that was amazing.
Surreal, no?
It was surreal because even the action directors like, Nidhi, please just go in your van. We are not able to shoot. And I'm like, okay, sorry. I'll just go from here. So, but I also fell during that shoot very badly. All the crowd over there was like, oh, I could hear that sound, but yeah, I felt
It was
very
like a
badly.
stadium kind of an
Yeah,
atmosphere.
that feel came, you know, very badly. I fell, and I was like, oh my god, I hope nobody recorded this.
So what are plans for Nidhi Pongal? So you'll
For
be in
Nidhi
Chennai.
Pongal, I'm going to watch Ishwaran in the theaters. I'm going to watch Bhumi at home,
Yeah.
and I'm just going to enjoy. I'm going to eat everything that day. I'm going to eat cake. I'm going to eat idli, biryani,
Pongal mainly. Yeah.
Pongal, of course. I'm going to do good puja, and I'm just going to celebrate that day.
Right. And yeah, recently Kamal sir made one comment comparing theaters and
Yes.
OTT platforms.
On
He said
Big
theaters
Boss.
are like temples and
Yeah.
OTT platforms are like the calendars of
Absolutely.
God pictures that
when
we
you
have
can't
to-
go to the
yeah.
temple, you know, then you
Correct.
still like your faith is still there.
Yeah, correct.
You do the best that you can.
Yeah.
So I think in times like this, it's good to have that kind of positivity, and it's a very actually sensible statement. That
Yeah, it's a
Kamal sir made.
lot of
Very
people are like,
intelligent.
yeah, correct.
Yeah, so very good statement, and it's true. So we have the theater and we have the calendar.
Yeah, both. One word about Master also, because like entire Indian cinemas looking forward to the
Absolutely.
release.
I saw the trailer and it was like a Hollywood film, according to me. You know, like the style is completely like I've not seen something like that. It's so cool. I really like that song Vati coming. I was listening to it every day during Ishwaran shooting in the morning, like in the morning, like
Your energy rush.
yeah, I love that in the morning. So
Yeah.
it's already a huge hit. Do I even need to wish them luck? No, it's already a huge hit, and I'm waiting to watch it.
Yeah, so
I'll watch even that in the theaters
Yeah.
now. If I'm going to be in Chennai, I'll watch
So
Ishwaran.
that comes on 13th and your film comes on 14th. I guess. So
Great.
back to back.
Back to back, I will watch that day. Master and Ishwaran both.
So all the best. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you, Kaushik.
And hopefully
Wishing you
we'll-
all the best.
Thank you. And hopefully we'll have another chat post release of your
Absolutely.
Twin Pongal
Then we'll
releases.
talk about my performance in both. You tell me how you liked it
Definitely.
or what you thought of it, and we'll chat.
For sure. Thanks a lot. Keep
Thank
rocking.
you. Thank you.